This is Jason with Coast to Coast Pools giving you a brief tutorial about your Aqualink computer and how it functions. So most of the time for any homeowner that's coming out to their computer for their pool, more than likely you have an internet failure where you are coming out to service your pool. The main button I am talking about in this tutorial is the first button in your Aqualink RS panel, which is the Auto Service and Timeout button. Auto itself is the automation side of the computer. It is the only use through the cell phone. So 99% of the time, your computer will always stay in auto if you are using your phone. Due to internet failure, you can come out and go to service or timeout. So if I put the first button into the service automation side, that is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week runtime. It will never stop. Timeout is the same as service, besides it will run everything manually that you are doing in service mode, but it does it for 3 hours. So to override the system, you will either come out of auto to service or timeout. And now you have manual operation for your auxiliaries. Most of the time for any pool usage, you are going to start with turning on the filter pump. The filter pump gets the pool started and all the water moving. The rest of the auxiliaries can change throughout different coast-to-coast pools. You might have a second water feature. You might have an air blower for a spa or a high-speed function for a spa. With this, you have manual operation over the controls for the panel now, heater in pool and spa mode as well. One key thing is I always ask a customer, it is okay to use your panel manually, whether it's in service or timeout mode, but I always want you every night to make sure and confirm that you are back into the auto function. As the computer goes back to its auto function, it will run its daily schedules for its pumps to keep your pool clean.